So here is our room. We have a nice little kitchenette area. Got a sink, a microwave, and a little fridge that we've stocked with some drinks, sodas, energy drinks, water, some Hot Pockets, and some pie. Some good dinner right there. We got our reserve water, groceries, a little coffee maker back there, ice bucket, storage and whatnot. Here's our little sitting area, living room. Got a little TV tray if you want to eat on there, and our air conditioner. Some big windows, but we kind of have the shades pulled because it's right across from another room, so don't want people peeping in. Here's the bed. It's a good size bed. I think it's a king. And then that nice TV that I plan on playing some video games on, and all of our stuff, and a place to sit, a cleaned Hilton TV remote, and a spiffy phone in case we need to call to the front. Some nice artwork on the walls over here. Let's go check that out. Over here seems to be some sort of a canyon, or a part of the trail in Zion. I think that's probably the shallows, or the narrows as they call it. I think it is where it's one of the famous Zion hikes. And then over here seems to be another park themed piece of art. Kind of see me in the reflection there. Hey, there's a door to if we were sharing our room with somebody. So, but luckily we're not, so we have the little latch shut. Matter of fact, I'm gonna shut this right now, make sure no one can get in there. A little fire plan escape route. Hey. Our bathroom stuff, and nice little soaps there. Nice little fancy towel arrangement, some more fine hotel art, and a decent sized tub, normal size, but good. No need to show the toilet. Everyone knows what a toilet looks like. There's me again. Nice size closet. But yeah, that's pretty much it. That's the room.